In far-off galaxies, galactic invaders are at work. 3 times daily, a strange flash pulsates across our sky. It is hundreds of times stronger than all of the world's nuclear weapons put together. But it wasn't made by people, and if one happens close enough to Earth, it could wipe out all life there. Most people on Earth don't know about the possible dangers in space. Imagine this. A huge star explodes in our galaxy, the Milky Way, sending a deadly burst of energy hurtling toward our planet. This is a gamma-ray burst, which is the biggest blast since the Big Bang. There are no signs that something bad is about to happen, and then it strikes. The radiation that is pumped up heats up the high atmosphere. Our layer of ozone heats up. Across the atmosphere, human beings burns to death from radiation 100 times the fatal dose. When the ozone layer gets thinner, temperatures rise all over the world. This makes storms, tsunamis, and hurricanes happen. Most life on the surfaces of land and water incinerates. This may sound like science fiction, but if a gamma ray burst from 100 light years away hit Earth, it could happen. Gamma ray bursts are the most bright blasts in the universe. They must have a huge amount of power because they're so far away and yet still so bright. As much energy as the sun will give off in its full 10 billion year life. We know there are many planets and many stars in the universe, so gamma ray burst could have wiped out a lot of different cultures. In the 1960s, this strange blast of radiation was first seen. At first, because these gamma-ray bursts are so bright, most scientists thought they came from our own galaxy, the Milky Way. There are a few reasons for that. One of them is that if they are outside the galaxy, the energy is almost too much to believe. But back then, even the most powerful telescopes couldn't figure out where they were or how far away they were because the burst only lasted a few seconds and then went away. But then, scientists started to wonder about their afterglow. Most blasts in space leave a glowing trail behind that can last for days or even weeks. In the late 1990s, satellites with better optics and X-ray monitors were finally able to catch the afterglow of a gamma-ray burst. It became clear that gamma-ray bursts actually came from outside our galaxy, millions and billions of light years away. So, their power had to be really out of this world. The brightness of the gamma-ray burst is the same as that of 1,000,000 trillion suns. This huge explosion could wipe out all life on Earth. But why do they happen? We are very sure that a common gamma-ray burst is caused by the death of a star that is at least 10 times the mass of the sun. And these kinds of stars aren't very common. When a very big star dies, it falls apart and forms a black hole. Black holes are made when a mass of matter shrinks to a point where it is so dense that light can't get out. But experts think that some of the star resists getting sucked into the center of the black hole. As a result, a high-speed spinning disk of matter forms around it. In a matter of seconds, plasma jets shoot out from the poles where it spins. These beams of energy unleash dangerous gamma rays into space. At the same time, the gamma ray bursts are ejected, the collapsing star explodes or goes supernova to the extreme. Gamma ray bursts are so bright because they take a huge amount of power and focus it on a very small area of the sky. Only one of every 300 gamma ray bursts is directed toward us, so we only see one of those 300. Even if a gamma ray burst happened not 100 but 1,000 light years away, the Earth could still be destroyed in a way that is similar to the end of the world. If a gamma ray burst happens within 100 light